backed by popular demand, the pale horse, who's ride me, Yahushua Mashiach, will take in with him. So I'm all black at the front, like I used to be. Black saints whitewashed during the rest of the week. It's okay, sometimes I have to be a white fascist to get slaves back, so it's a little easier. And on the back, butterflies and stars. That's the pale horse. Death before him or her, and creation, just like Mock Technique's song, creation and destruction. And I'll show you later white horse poo, art poo. You know how the IRA, the IRA and INLA, Irish National Liberation Army, hunger strikers, they smeared shit poo on the prison walls so that the screws would stop, like being violent with them, to control demolition. Okay, so it's going to be our 9/11 soon. We're not going to blow up the Twin Towers, we're going to put them back together. You will be warned.